So this is our lecture 1 in the aptitude and the reasoning part. We will talk about the direction sense today. And I have written down the basic points so that we can quickly go through and we can save the time. So let's talk about this. So there are 4 main directions: north, east, west and south. You look at the picture on the right hand side: north, east, south and west. Okay, these are the 4 directions. And trick to remember these directions in the order is the famous Australian cricketer Shane Warne. Okay, so if you pronounce this name, you will be finding the 4th direction. If you are starting at S, so this is Shane Warne. If you start from this S and then go into the direction of anti-clockwise direction, okay, so you will be finding these 4 directions. Okay, these directions make the 90-degree angle from each other. Okay, similarly this angle would be 90 degree. Okay, so these are the 4 main directions. Now there are 4 cardinal directions which we call northeast, northwest, southeast and southwest. So the direction midway to the north and east is what we call northeast. So obviously this angle would be the 45 degree. Okay, similarly if you take the southwest, it will be the midway to the south and west. So this angle or this angle would be the 45 degree. Okay, so these both 45 degree angles. Okay, that is fine. Now what is the clockwise and what is the anti-clockwise? You might be knowing, but let me tell you, the clockwise is the direction of the clock. Okay, so if you go into the clockwise direction, that means you are going into the direction of clock. So the reverse direction would be the anti-clockwise direction. Okay, and 4th thing I want to tell you, when the question is asking or question is saying that a person is facing certain direction, so let's say a person is facing north direction, then what does it mean? So that means the person is in the south direction. Obviously then only he can face the north. Okay, if a person is in the south, then he cannot face the south. So if a person is facing east, that means he is in the west direction. Okay, so this is the 180-degree relation. Okay, that is fine. So these are the main concepts, and let's talk about the shadow's position. Now in the time of morning, or we also call it sunrise or the dawn, you know, the sun comes up in the east, so the shadow's position will be in the west. Okay, so sun comes up in this east, so the shadows will be into the west direction. Okay, so shadows will be into the west direction. In the evening, the sun will be going into the west direction, so the shadow's position will be east. And in the time of afternoon or in the noon, there is no shadow of any object. Okay, so these are the basic concepts you need to remember. Let's talk about an example now. So the question is, a man is facing north. Okay, so let's make this. These are our directions, Shane Warne. Okay, so a man is facing north. Okay, let me not give you the answer first. And he turns 155 degree in the anti-clockwise direction. So anti-clockwise direction is this. So he turns 155 degree from the initial position, and then 200 degree in the clockwise direction. Okay, he goes into 200 degree in the clockwise direction. So which direction is he facing now? So you can pause the video and give me the answer, or you can just select the answer in your head. Let me give you the answer now. So answer is simply northeast. So if you take the net effect, so first of all, the person is facing the north, that means the person is in south. Okay, then only he can face the north. Okay, so he is in the south, and from the initial position south, he turns 155 degree anti-clockwise. Okay, and then 200 degree clockwise. So if you take the net effect, you can take the net effect. So 200 clockwise minus 155 degree anti-clockwise, that means net effect is 45 degree clockwise. Okay, so from north I told you this is our west, this is our east, so this 45 degree angle into the clockwise direction will be southwest. Yes, so this will be our 45 degree angle. Now from this, if a person is in the southwest direction, that means he is facing this northeast. Yes, so the facing direction would be northeast. Fine, let's do another example. The question is that in the time of morning, or in the after sunrise, or in the sunrise time, Ram is going to school and met his friend Raj at road crossing. Okay, and he noticed that Raj's shadow was exactly to the right of Ram, and they were face to face. Which direction was Ram facing? Again, you can pause the video and think around the answer. Let me give you the answer now. So let's first make this video sort of direction. So this is south, east, north and west, same one. Okay, you go into the anti-clockwise direction. Okay, so the point here to notice is the shadow was exactly to the right of Ram and the time is of sunrise. I told you in the time of sunrise the shadow is always in the west direction because sun comes up into the east. So shadow is in west direction, so let's say this is our shadow and the shadow is exactly to the right of the Ram. Okay? So right of the Ram means into the direction of right end of the Ram. So obviously this is our Ram, let's say. So the Ram's right end would be into the shadow's direction. That means the face of the Ram would be in the direction of south. Okay, so the Ram would be facing south. Okay, so the answer to this question would be south. So let me give you the answer I have written down. So the answer is basically south. Okay, so Ram is facing south. So this is the basic video. Next we will be talking about various other topics towards the reasoning.